The blue-footed booby. It's breeding season. Their bond is all based around one thing: those bright blue feet. So the bluer, the better. Thanks to the pigment in his fishy diet, he already has a knockout pair. But to keep them this way, it's time for him to go fishing. Once they bond with each other, booby pairs are normally set for life. But not all boobies play by the rules. A quick two-step from someone else catches her eye. His whistle display shows he's eager. With a honk of interest, her head's been turned. Her old flame is back. He seems pleased with the look of his feet. But his partner is looking at somebody else's. He's not going to stand for that. That showed him. Our hero may have seen off his rival, but his relationship looks like it's on the rocks. Maybe a gift will help. A well-chosen stone? Not impressed. Perhaps a softer approach. That seems to have done the trick. And they pick up right where they left off.